How to add or install Google Analytics 4 to your WordPress. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your WordPress, then you would be able to find the option of plugins. Simply click on it, and over here you need to search for Google Analytics, and after that just hit enter. And after a while you would be able to see results over here. Then just scroll down and you would be able to find this plugin by Jeff Star. You need to get this one, and this is just for the website of yours in order to analyze the traffic on it. But if you want to go with the Google Analytics for WooCommerce and all sort of other aspects, then you would have to get other plugins as well. But for now we will just stick to this one. For this, just simply select it, and after that just simply install it and activate it. And after that, when you click on this option of settings or hover around your cursor on settings, you would be able to find Google Analytics over here. Simply click on it, and after that select the option of plugin settings, and over there you would be able to find the option of Google Analytics 4, and there you would require a code in order to track it. Now we will be getting that particular code from Google Analytics, and for that just simply open up Google Analytics account and set up your account. And over here you would be able to find the measurement ID. Simply copy it and paste it up on the plugin section. In case if you're not able to find it, just simply type measurement ID over here and hit enter, and you would be able to find it. Just simply copy this particular ID and go to your WordPress. Over here you would be able to paste the measurement ID. Then in the section of tracking method, select the option of Google tag, and in case if you are not aware of rest of the settings, just keep them to default, and after that save the changes. And after saving the changes, you would be able to connect your website to Google Analytics and you would be able to track the data. And for that, just simply open up the Google Analytics, and over here when you go on to the section of report, wait for it to load. Over here you would be able to see different options for you. You can just simply select any of the option according to your needs and requirements, and you can also select the real-time data, and this way you would be able to analyze all the data from your website on Google Analytics. And this way you can just formulate the strategies and make the new strategies in order to make your website work in a better way and attract good amount of traffic. And this is how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.